Hi, Professor. This is my mortgage calculator demo. So, first thing first, I have a browse class which has two routes, which is the input screen and then the result screen. And then I have a mortgage calculator view model, which will change the year, the amount, and the interest rate as the user type in something, and then a function to calculate the mortgage. Would use the formula from the slide. And then in the main activity, I'm gonna have three data classes, which is the input state, the result state, and the mortgage UI state. The input state has the year, amount, and interest rate, as you can see right here. And the result state gonna have monthly payment and the total payment. And then the mortgage UI state will have the input and then the result. So in the mortgage calculator app, it will take in a view model, the mortgage calculator view model, and a navigation controller, which will originally will start with the input screen like this, and then there's a button in the input screen right here that you can click on it, and when you click on it, it will navigate to the result screen, as you can see. And when you get to the result screen, you can click on the modify data, which will pop back into the input screen. So I have an app title bar for the app, and then for the input screen right here, I have the three different rows and one more row for the button. So this is the year radio button, which has the option up 10, 15 or 30 years. And then I have the amount, which is a text field that user can input a float number, and the interest rate, also user input a float number. And then on the result screen, I have a bunch of them. So I have the amount, the years, the interest rate that took from the input screen, and then I have a divider in between to separate the input and the output. So the output will have the monthly payment and then the total payment, as you can see right here. And then the info row is just for the formatting. So when I try to use the app, I start with 30 years. I'm gonna make the amount $100,000, and I'm gonna make the interest rate of 3.5%, which is 0.035. And when I click done, this is the result. It will have the amount that I inputted before, the years that I had chosen, and the interest rate, which is 3.5%. And then this is the monthly payment calculated and the total payment over the 30 years. And yeah, that should be it. Thank you.